I'm in a spiritual prison, but on this day I've arisen to the vision of an eternal God and Satan collision. The fight to win me took place within me, and whoever I submitted to would ultimately choose where they would send me. I stood motionless, approaching this comatose-ness with openness. Could only hope and wish for sanity. When I awoke from this, I'm coping with the possibility of making the wrong choice. No reason to rejoice. I heard Satan speaking my own voice. Obliterating everything, incinerate, renegade, anybody wanna with the benefit of nobody wanna with the anybody wicked side, obliterating everything, incinerate, renegade, you wanna with the benefit of nobody wanna with the get it anyway, cause I get it, feel like I'm mentally ill, I feel like I'm mentally ill, I'm a killer, be the villain, bring the killer within the enemy, you wanna be the enemy, the demon who wanna be a on the receiving enemy, was super enemy, be a enemy, see a enemy of a spitter, when I'm in the vicinity, motherfucker, you might have different from every villain, eliminate you an enemy. 100% of you is a fifth of a percent of me. I'm about to fucking finish you, bitch, I'm unfadable. You wanna battle, I'm available. I'm blowing up like an inflatable. I'm undebatable, I'm unavoidable, I'm unavoidable, I'm unavoidable. I got a trailer full of money and I'm paid in full. I'm not afraid to pull rails against your will like a hubcap or mud flap. They strangle or attack, so this ain't gonna feel like a love tap. Eat painkiller pills, fuck up the track like what's her name? Set the wheel, Danica Patrick. Through the carbon to reverse it, the Indian nut crashing into your back of it. Just mangle steel, my Mustang in the Jeep Wrangler grill, but the front smash much as my rear fender assassin. I latch onto you like a parasite, and I probably ruined your parents' life in your childhood too. Cause if I'm the music that y'all grew up on, I'm responsible for you fools. I'm the super villain dad and mama's losing their marbles too. You marvel that Eddie Brock is you, and I'm the suit, so call me.